Hi guys, my name is Derek. Hope everyone is keeping it safe. Sanitize and wash your hands properly. Sawa? Okay, now we do car interior restoration and we deal with all models of vehicles, whether Germany, European, Japanese and others. So today we've worked on a Mercedes E-200 and the parts that we've worked on are the seats, the roof, the pillars, the door covers, the steering wheel and the armrest, plus some other parts. So there is like a video I've prepared for you. You'll go through the video and see what happened. So if you like the video, please share with your friends and subscribe. Sawa sawa? Okay, thank you. Have a blessed day.